what's the worst thing you've ever done? He's like, I don't want to talk about it. This guy's sitting in the front of the thing. He's like, what do you mean you don't want to talk about it? You can't be that bad. What'd you do? And he's put it in my
especially when you use zip ties.
That's a Bison, baby. Oh, you guys all got camo ones? You guys are fancy.
I don't have shit. I got mine were donated. Yeah, I got my waders on.
Got my wader pants.
You guys got 1800 to hang out with.
Get my hunt license up. We're good.
It would be a good thing to have.
We're good.
For you.
Thank you.
And one for you, just in case you fall on a stick and poke your eye out or something.
Oh yeah.
Oh, well, it's
What's
back
up,
there.
guys? We're out here at what's this, Black Duck, right?
Yeah, Black Duck Outfitters.
Black Duck Outfitters. Heading out and do a little puddle duck hunting. So, got here about 7 o'clock. We're all got changed, ready to get the walk on.
Hey, you boys want to ride me instead of hopping in there? I got room.
Oh.
Thanks, John. Yeah.
Oh, God, I got swinging wide. Swinging wide's a fucking trailer. Brother.
Good thing you didn't bring a decoy trailer.
That's kind of tight, bro.
If you fall off it, it ain't that far.
Might mess those forges up.
I know. Watch this branch. I'm
I ain't
gonna
got no
scratch your
forges.
truck up.
Do you know how many dents? My whole tailgate is fucked.
Here, I'll hold it away. Alright.
Damn, we should have brought the RAV4.
Yeah, dude, that thing's a fucking beast.
You're the one out there.
Do you got one of them fucking the tables in the back?
What do you mean?
So apparently the RAV4 is where the spare tire is. There's a thing in the back.
Oh, I don't know what's back
There's a
there.
fold-up table in there.
I don't know what's in there. I
We're
don't even
missing
think. Dude, we've been missing out this whole time.
This whole time he had a shit
Put the
table.
call on that.
Just back to Rav up, leave the door open, hit the call.
Dude, do you see that Suburban not coming down the road out for sale? That's all that. That's what we should do.
What we gotta do?
Not gonna lie, this is kind of nice. We're just hunting right here.
So I want to farm.
Oh, he's backing up.
He's reversing, Terry.
Oh no.
No, he's not.
Switch her into 4 low.
The dog's like, fuck.
I was like, we're done already?
Bullshit.
Put your window down, then he wants to talk to you.
He can't see you.
I'm going to spin around because I know she's going to fall out if the sun comes out.
All right.
Oh my god! we're going back around. Sorry we hit you, sir.
Didn't mean to fucking clap your shit.
My nails aren't home. There, where the nail just was.
Who works for BG&E? You're a big money guy. That's what it is. Yeah, don't lie to me.
Heck no, he works for himself. He's got more money than I do.
Yeah, but you got it a lot easier. He's got headaches.
I'm just a contractor. Trying to go to BG&E.
That's the money.
I'll get you on one.
Around here, is it?
Right there.
Oh man, the old world's most expensive single shop. Fucking right up.
Hey, it does jam. So I'm trying to buy a
know it
Benelli.
That don't jam, does it?
This don't damn not one fucking bit.
I'm laughing.
You gotta be a man to pick that thing up, though. Jeez, whiz.
It's only 8 pounds.
Back there.
We're back here. For sure.
You know, you know my uncle named Bernie
Bernie.
Williams?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my uncle.
You look familiar.
Yeah.
I'm wondering where the heck I know you from.
Yeah.
Big old fat guy.
Him,
over here.
Pat, and Tyler, PJ,
Everyone there.
Travis.
Well, Georgie and Tyler, Georgie and Travis, they hunt together a little bit, my son.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you're okay too?
Yeah.
There'll be room for a cooler.
Yeah, we'll make room for it. I'll get my wife to bring pizza. I didn't clean it out from the last time just because it was so much ice out there and I was falling through it, so Barry whipped the blind. It's a little dirty.
Sorry, we're here hunting.
Step up on the ice before we go through
So
it.
it's alright, we're hunting.
I'll get it when she freezes or she's open. blind, when you walk forward, it's just gonna go forward a little bit, but once we all get in there, it should sit on bottom, so.
Now this is awesome. He's out putting decoys out. Like a dog. There was what, maybe 2 dozen mallards out there?
Yeah.
A goose.
You gotta stabilize it.
Gotta get the blind settled in here. Had to bust some ice going out. But yeah, looks like a great time.
Oh yeah.
This is what I'm talking about.
Yep. Yeah, there they are.
I was coming up on that drink, I was like, geez, though, man.
I fucking boy.
Watch that bluegill.
Out of there. He's going to sit in your parking lot.
Hey, there's another one circling over here to the left.
Another duck.
Yep.
A bunch of ducks coming here to your left, guys.
That's them gadwalls just got up. Probably shot him in them. Yeah, I found out good boys,
You hit both of them.
Did you? I know I hit the one, but
I know
they
Brandon
still...
definitely smoked the fuck out of that one.
I was like full choke. Screw it. Good thing I'm using 2-shot, not double BB.
My bluegill might be in the better truck.
That's what, yeah.
He's probably sitting in the parking lot in the water.
To the left of you, pup.
Holy fuck, I know one thing. I should have brought an earplug.
Oh, wow.
I didn't even record or nothing.
Oh, shit, I didn't record either.
I got it.
Bill. Good thing we got Bill.
I knew that bluegill was up there. He's like, how's your bluegill?
Two just right there.
You see that?
There was a bunch above us.
bunch above them.
Am I recording? You see them, Bill? I thought those were doves that flew over top.
No, they were off to our left. They're right there above us. See us all?
Oh, shit, yeah.
They're in front of us.
That was a mop butt, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Watch this one right here, look. Going in the wood. There's your gadwalls you never killed. I only shot one time.
Dude, this ain't no fucking monster.
Right?
That was a hell of a shot. That was out there.
I know I dropped one for sure.
I think I shot 3.
I know I dropped one for sure. I aimed at another one and it went, but I don't know where it went.
Bill?
Hell yeah. Good eyes, camera.
Camera got a spot and everything.
He pointed at one went over the wood line.
Give.
You want a hand? I don't think you can.
Do you want a hand? You want a hand?
Yeah, I'll get them. They're around here somewhere.
Okay.
Holy sheep shit, Batman.
Yeah.
Seagulls.
Can we shoot them?
Oh, Chris is gonna hate me. I'm gonna put one down.
I told her to.
All drinks, too.
All right. Hell yeah. There's 4 up there working.
Two here.
Shoot right there. Shoot it under the wood.
My one's going down in the field over there.
Good shooting, guys. That's tough right there because there's ducks all over it, you know.
There's one more.
Did somebody double up on those two?
Yeah.
I don't know who it was.
I shot the double right here.
So take what we get.
I think it was.
Is there any out there in the water to lie?
I don't know if there's
any.
any.
Went way out past.
No band.
More mallard smack now. Good
Oh
job,
my
fellas.
goodness. Fly away.
Man, he's a little twitchy. Oh, no, for the shaw, man.
Brent.
Well, you better go back out now.
Good shot. Come on, hey, right here. Jack, here. This thing I have to get in the blind. I'll get ready to see
What other guy?
that wind just a little bit, like I guess they got
Yeah.
not pretty, but effective.
Makes the easy shot for us.
Going away from you.
A little tough eating them.
Come on here. Come on here. Come on here. Get. Get. Come on.
That was the drink.
Yeah. They were out there a little bit. I mean, they were killable, but they were out there.
Well, I was watching this one right here.
You stop.
That's how all the duck hunters do. Everybody at gas station in the morning.
I was going to wait for that third one. And I was like, you know what?
You want to shoot that one again?
Jack, fetch him up. Get him, Chad. Get him, Chad. Get him, Chad. Fetch him up. Get him, Chad. They don't get much prettier than that, do they?
That was perfect.
What's that?
That was beautiful.
12 yards? 15 top? How many ducks do you have?
That's 18.
Nice.
No, there's 2 that dropped out there, and we killed that one single that came in, so that should be 18.
They'll eat corn, don't get me wrong, but
shit. I brought a cooler with drinks and I didn't even need any of them.
You didn't hit any of them? Is that what he said?
No, cooler full of drinks and he didn't bring any of them.
You just want gadwalls, right?
Yep, you can give me the mallard. Yeah. Is that all the gadwall?
No, there's a gab over here. Yeah.
If I knew it was going to be like that, we'd have shot drinks. It ain't going to be worth a shit, this picture, because it's all sun's in our face.
Got another gabbold.
They're hard.
Oh, I thought that was a gabbold.
They're all mallards.
And the band. That's a hell of a puddle duck shoot right there, girls. I ain't gonna lie. That's the best we've done out of this blind in a while.
I told you we rolled guys who can shoot.
You guys can.
I love the mixed bags.
This is awesome. Black Duck Outfitters. Thank you, George.
Yeah, thanks, George. Big time.
Big time. Hunting his farm.
This is a last-second decision, too.
Last second, just pretty much yesterday.
Basically yesterday, yeah.
Yep.
Last-second decision, come out,
Don't worry, guys.
kill
we'll
18
work.
ducks.
He's got it.
Limit out in what? I don't even
2
know.
hours.
I don't even know if it's been 2 hours. What time is it?
We got a blind at like 7:30.
It's nine.
Yeah, so limit out in
9:45.
2 hours, basically. Sheesh. Hell yeah.
So you always need a picture.
You get that duck that was after? He's okay. He's halfway there.
All right, well, that's going to wrap up the morning hunt out here at Black Duck Outfitters with George. We appreciate everything. Definitely put us on the birds. It was 2 hours in there, and
Yeah, not even that, I don't think.
I mean, we whacked pretty much everything we shot at. So got some gadwall and some mallards. Got Jason, Brent with us. Bill behind the camera. He was shooting the whole time with the camera. But yeah, it was awesome morning.
Yeah.
Definitely fun. So it was a nice setup. Happy we got the opportunity to come down here. So yeah, be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. So peace.